Hi everyone, my name is Gordon Sue. I'm from Markham, Ontario in the Greater Toronto area. And here is my Mercedes Benz C63. It's a 2008 model. And I represent the Mercedes Benz True North Car Club, MBTN. Yeah, as you can tell, I love carbon fiber hood. I got the lip, the splitter. Also under the hood, more carbon fiber. It comes with an ECU tune from Eurocharge Canada, long tube headers, port polished heads, as well as a Capristo valve exhaust. Right now I have some nice semi-racing slicks from Toyo Tires, R888Rs. And right now I've fitted some Japanese Volk Racing ZE40s in gunmetal blue. Suspension is actually changed with KW coilovers. Yes, lots of interiors all covered with carbon fiber, from all the accents to the back seats. Everything you can think of, I tried it. Favorite part would have to be the motor. This is all naturally aspirated. Once you give it gas, it goes, and the noise it makes is almost like music to me. I really enjoyed the naturally aspirated portion of it, but the build was geared towards to have a Weistec supercharger in it. So one day I want to put a blower in it and it'll be unlimited horsepower. Right now it's at 500 to wheels. I believe after the supercharger, I'll probably be in the 600 range, and I think that'll be more than enough for the streets. Thank you for checking my build here at Drive Festival. And to follow my journey in my car building mod, feel free to follow me on Gordon Auto Spa and my car club, Mercedes Benz True North, MBTN. Thank you very much.